Hi, good morning. Please introduce yourself.
Good morning, ma'am, sir. I am Jackie Lopetero. I am 44 years old. I am married. I had 4 children, 3 girls and 1 boy. First child is 12 years old. Second child is 10 years old. Third child is 6 years old. The youngest one is 4 years old.
What is your education?
I am second year college, BS Comsci.
Okay, how many brothers and sisters do you have?
I had 3 brothers and 4 sisters. I am the youngest of the family.
Okay, please tell me about your working experience as a helper.
I work in Qatar for 2 years. I can serve adult and kids. I can clean house and do ironing and washing clothes.
Okay, why do you want to come to abroad?
I want to come to abroad because I want to earn money to support my family financially. My sister will take care of my children.
Okay, so if in abroad is there is a newborn baby, are you willing to take care?
Yes, ma'am, sir.
Okay, if the baby is crying, what will you do?
I will check the temperature. Milk.
Okay, so if the children is very naughty, do you have a long patience for them?
Yes, ma'am, sir.
Do you scare dogs and cats?
No, ma'am, sir. I had dogs and cats in our home.
Okay, so can you access elder person, assist them all their needs?
Yes, ma'am, sir.
Can you work during the day off but will pay by your employer?
Yes, ma'am, sir.
Can you do the car washing without extra pay?
Yes, ma'am, sir.
Okay, what food can you cook?
I can cook native food or Filipino food, but I am willing to cook other food.
Okay, do you have tattoo in your body?
No, sir.
Can you promise to cut your shirt before you come to Hong Kong?
Yes, ma'am, sir.
Or any country?
Yes, ma'am, sir.
Okay, do you have tattoo in your body?
No, ma'am, sir.
Okay, lastly, what is your message to your future employer to hire you?
To my future employer, please hire me. I can promise I am cheerful and
Can you promise to finish your 2 years contract?
yes, ma'am, sir.
Okay, thank you.